Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, A Pinch of Positivity. The other day, I was having a conversation with my wife and she suddenly commented that, sometimes no matter how much good you do, but still you are not rewarded. But we should keep doing the good because one day we will get the result of the good, no? And that made me think. I said, it's a nice statement from her, and many people would be having the doubt about no matter how much good we do, yet we go through difficulties, we go through pain and hardship, and will we ever get the benefit of being good? So I had to explain this in a very different way. You see, yes, one thing is that whatever you do, whether you do good or bad, we will get the result. But sometimes we keep doing good and yet the return of that good is delayed. Why? What could be the possible reason? I'll give you a very small example over here. Say, for example, I have a glass of water and this glass is half filled with dirty water. I take this glass and keep it under running water. Now what happened? Slowly, the glass will start filling and will start overflowing. What will happen in that process is the more fresh water goes inside the glass, slowly, the dirty water will keep getting less, and finally, the dirty water will overflow and go out, and what will remain is a fresh glass of water, pure water. This is what happens in our life. Depending upon our karmic accounts of our past life, either we have a glass which is half a quarter full with bad water, or maybe a bucket which is half filled with uh, bad water, or, good water, whatever karmas we might have done in the past. So, coming to the conversation which I was having with my wife, the explanation is very simple. Yes, there are certain souls which are only doing good and yet are facing a lot of hardship. Why? Because possibly they have a lot of karmic, bad karmic accounts to settle, and they are settling it in this birth. So the good that they are doing is good for them because they will one day get the reward for this good karma they are doing. And the biggest thing over here is that they are clearing all their bad accounts. So when the bad accounts are done and finished, they will only reap good rewards. Many times we ask this question, no, that I am only doing good and why only bad is happening to me? And there are so many people who are doing bad, but only good is happening to them. They are getting everything. That we are seeing that with a very limited perspective, with limited insight. So we have to understand that if I am facing hardship, in spite of being good, I should not lose hope. I should always continue doing good because one day the dirty water in my glass or in my bucket is going to finish, and my glass and my bucket will have only fresh water. That means good karmas, and that will provide me with good rewards, good result. So let's not get diverted by what other people are doing. They are doing bad, still they are prospering. Let's concentrate on what we can do. Because the only thing in my hand is me. I can only control myself. And in the knowledge, in the spiritual knowledge, when I understand the law of karma, that as I sow, shall I reap, When I am in that knowledge and I only do good and I continue to do good, one day the reward of that good will definitely come. And also, we should not perform actions or karma with the greed of reward. No, it's either you are good or either you are bad. So when you're good, you just do good. You don't expect anything in return. That's what I believe. That's what I strongly believe in. Be good, be kind, be gentle, be humble. Do whatever good you can. Do not expect anything. But the universe is such that when you do good, automatically good will happen to you. But don't keep that expectation. Continue to be good, continue to be nice, and live your life to the purest. One thing I have stopped doing is comparing myself with others. We are all the same. No one is higher, no one is lower, and no one is equal also, because in order to be equal, you have to be somewhere, right? So we cannot measure ourselves in terms of higher, lower, or equal. No, we are same, just same, but only with different life experiences from many births and in this birth. But we are all the same. We have to look at each other with same eyes. So if you want good, you have to give good. Treat others the way you want them to treat you. In order to do that, you have to first learn to treat everyone nicely, in a nice, kind, humble way. So, my friends, live in that knowledge that whatever good you do will never get wasted. In fact, keep on doing good, keep on doing good, so that finally your bucket or your glass of water will have nothing but fresh, pure water. Have a nice day, my friends, and God bless you all. Thank you very much.